Greetings, in this tutorial we'll show you how to crimp an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector following the EIA 568B specifics. These are the materials we'll need: a UTP cable, not shielded, cap for the Ethernet cables, 2 RJ45 connectors, a crimper, scissors, nipper. Insert the cap in the cable, we'll need it later. Skin the cable's external sheath of about 1.5 centimeters. Untie the 8 internal cables and make them equal. Dispose the wires in the order shown in the image, being careful about lining them up. In most cases you'll need to use a nipper. Put the connector in the crimper. After the experiment, compress the connector using the crimper, being careful not to break it. Take the protection cap and fit it into the connector. To test our work, let's insert our cable's connector in the tester to make sure electric current is flowing through it.